Auto get free water gun in Brookhaven. Yeah.
If you
Now
get the water gun and you will know, and you have no water gun again.
so you have water gun. Got it? Do same as we did. So you have free water gun, right?
Yeah. And also you can make a big water gun.
Aha.
Like two.
Look
Like
at
two
that.
things.
Look at that. Look at that water. I'm like a fire truck.
Like this.
Yeah.
So many.
Bye.